Morning children, in the previous class we are saying about the 7 Says lesson and the little dictionary, that is dictionary meaning we are seeing. Now we are going to see the glossary, that is from the lesson page number 67. So first one is kingdom, a region ruled by a king. And second one flourished, developed in a healthy way. Flourished நல்லா செழிப்பாக இருக்குது, ஓகேயா? Developed in a healthy way. Then revered, respected, மரியாதை. Aging, getting old, வயதாகிறது. Adapt, legally taken and bring up, அதாவது உரிமையாக நம்மளாக போயிடுக்காமல் என்னென்ன ப்ரொசீஜரோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி legally take and bring up. Leader, head, that is தலைவர். Nurture, care, protect and grow. Anxious, eager. Destiny, fate, behold, see. That only we are going to, I am going to write now. So copy down. Kingdom. Kingdom is a region ruled by a king. A region ruled by a king. Okay. The next one, flourished. Flourished. Pronounce the word properly, children. Flourished. Developed in a healthy way. Developed in a healthy way. Then, third one, revered. Respected. Reverend father. Respected father. Reverend. Respected. Then, fourth one, aging. Aging is getting old. Then fifth one, adapt, legally take and bring up. Adapt, legally take and bring up. Okay. Then sixth one, leader. Leader is head. தலைமை பொறுப்பை எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is known as the head. Nurture, care, protect and grow. Nurture, that is care, protect, பாதுகாக்கிறது and grow. Anxious, eager. Eighth one is anxious, எதிர்பார்த்து காத்துட்டு இருக்கிறது, eager. Destiny, destiny, fate. And tenth one, behold, see. Behold, see. Okay, so this is the meanings. Kingdom, a region ruled by a king. Flourished, developed in a healthy way. Revered, respected. Aging is getting old. Adopt, legally take and bring up. Leader, head, nurture, care, protect and grow. Anxious, ego. Destiny, fate. Behold, see. So this is the meanings, that's the glossary from your book. Here I will give for you some of the opposites, tenses and plurals. Okay, so make a note on. Already I given the meanings in your book. Now we are going to see about the opposites and tenses. Second one, opposites. This is under, under, above. Honest, dishonest. Honest is dishonest. And third one, strong, weak. Capable, capable, uncapable. continued, discontinued, continued, discontinued. Okay, now the tenses. Worry, worry, worried. IED. Instead of Y, you have to add IED. Spin, span. Okay. Then grow, grew. Then agree, agreed. Then raise, raised. Okay, and now we will see the plurals. That is, fourth Roman letter is plurals. In this plurals, we are going to see seed, seed, seeds, week, weeks, child. Already we have seen this one, child, but in your write again, children, girl, girls, boy, boys. Okay, so these are the tenses, plurals and opposites. So glossary is in the book, that is meaning is in your book. Then opposite, tenses and plurals. Opposite is under, above, honest, dishonest, strong, weak, capable, incapable, continued, discontinued. Then tenses is worry, worried. While you are learning, learn the spelling also. Spin, span, grow, grew, agree, agreed, raise, raised. Then seed, seeds, week, weeks, child, children. You should not say childs. Girl, girls, and boy, boys. So this is not in your book, so I just gave this from the lesson. And now we are going to see about the book exercise. It is given in your book at the back. So we will see this one by one. It is. Let us understand. Page number 68. A. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. So it is choose. The kingdom was situated. First one. The kingdom was situated in the foothills of dash. They are given Aanaimalai is the answer. Aanaimalai. Option is, they are given A. Kollimalai and B. Sirumalai and C is Aanaimalai. So Aanaimalai is the answer. The king looked for a dash. The king looked for a dash. Looked for a leader. Minister, leader. A is minister and B is leader and C is great soldier. Great soldier. Then third one, the king gave dash seeds. The king gave how many seeds? 7 seeds. The king gave 7 seeds. 5, 6, 7. They are given the options like this. Okay. And then the fourth one, in the real, the test is for. In the real, the test. எதுக்கு test வச்சாராங்க இங்க? Test is for testing honesty. Testing honesty. So A option is testing honesty. And B is growing wheat. And C is growing paddy. Okay, so this is the choose the correct option. Now the next one is read the statement and write true or false. So 3 sentences they are given. You have to write the true or false. Okay, so we'll write this. So the choose the correct answer is the kingdom was situated in the foothills of Animalai. The king looked for a leader. The king gave 7 seats. In the real test, the test is for testing honesty. Okay. So now you have to write true or false. This is B, no? A. Right. True or false. The king shouted at Annie. False. First one is false. Second one, Annie grew the seed well. Annie grew the seed well. That is false. ஏன்னா வந்து சீடே வரல. False. Annie valued honesty. Annie valued honesty. Okay. So this is the exercises from your book. Okay, so choose the correct answer. Then they are given the sum of the exercises. Answer the questions they are given. Okay. And in page number 69, they are given, let us build. What sound does the parrot make? Kiki. Did you know that sound is called talk? That is parrot வந்து அவங்களுடைய birds and all, birds and animals will talk in their own language. So that a sound is called a talk. Kiki, kaka, that sound is made by the birds in India. So that is called talk. So like that sounds made by animals have names. So come let's have them. So lion, roar. Parrot, I talk beautifully. Yeah, நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோமோ திருப்பி சொல்றோம். Then I too will talk, another parrot is telling. So both of us talk. Let us see what our friends do. Some of the other animal friends are there. So monkey, chatter. And elephant, trumpet. Cow, which is moo. Then sheep, bleat. Snake is like that. Some more sounds and they are given. That is dogs bark. You might have already known this. Horses neigh, kanikum. Donkeys bray, kattum. Rabbits squeak. Pigs grunt. Cats mew. Bees hum. Ducks quack. owls hoot, frogs croak, sparrows chirp, and another cocks crow. Okay, so these are the sounds given by the animals, and match the animals with their sounds. Here they are given horse, here they are given bray, croak, bark, hum, neigh, and mew. Here they are given the some of the pictures. Horse கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, cat, dog, bees, frog, and donkey. So for a horse, neigh, cat, mew, dog, bark, bees, hum, frog, croak, donkey, bray. And here I given the picture also. What is this picture? I am a duck, I quack. I am a rabbit, I squeak. I am a lamb, I neigh. I am a pig, I grunt. I am a hen, I croak. Okay, so they are given the pictures and the noises made by them also they are given. And then we have to now move on to the question answers. We will see these question answers later on. So go through this all the match meanings, opposite, tensors and plurals, everything. You can see children, learn what all I gave and the exercises and glossary meanings, and the picture dictionary also they are given as a dictionary. That is, I said in previous classes, foothill, a low hill at the base of a mountain. Throne, abina narkali, the chair of the ruler who is ruling the country. And nurture is care for and protect something while they grow. Then prison, a place where people who do not follow the law are locked up. A metal, brass, a metal made by mixture of copper and zinc. That's all this. After this, we'll having the poem and the question answers also. So go through this everything, children. So we'll see the question answer in the next class. Thank you, children. Thank you.